Brian DeGrange, an air systems cleaning specialist with Air Duct Cleaners. Here today talking about a project that we recently completed in the downtown Salt Lake City area. Here's a building that was built back in the early 1950s, 1960s. This particular building, all of the ducts were poured in concrete in the floor. Sometimes issues that we run into with these type of ducts are that they can become collapsed over time. But these ducts were still in good condition after all these years, and we were able to get inside them and get them all cleaned out. The room also had the air handlers all cleaned out, so we didn't have to mess around with any of those. Here's our vacuum hose going up to our giant power vacuum truck. We were able to bring that down and put that inside each individual supply line or return line. Thus, we were able to get a good cleaning on each one of the different areas of the building. Some of the tools that we use, we always use our 10-inch vacuum hose, and we also have our drum vacuum that we use if we're having to crawl vents and contact vacuum all of the vents by hand. So we use that because it's got a tremendous amount of suction and does a great job cleaning up any of the debris that needs to be pulled out of there. Here's a sandwich that we found. Who knows how long it's been in the vent. We found anything from eyeglasses to nuts and bolts and stuff that was left from the original construction. Here's a before picture. As you can see, there's some debris down at the bottom of the vent, and as you can see in the next photo that we were able to get that all cleaned out. Some of the other things that we're able to accomplish at this building, we're able to use our brush system. This is ran off from a motor that's driven by air. And as the brush goes in, we're able to push that all the way back to the end of each and every one of these ducts, and that basically breaks loose all the contaminants that may be lodged on the sidewalls of the duct. And that just breaks them loose, knocks them down to the bottom. And as that pulls back, we're getting some of the things sucked out just from that. But when we're done with that, we use another tool that takes a towable compressor with over 100 CFM, and it is able to jet down to the end of the duct, and as we're pulling it back, it is able to pull back all of the dirt and the debris that brush just knocked off. So it does a super job getting all of the ductwork cleaned in this place. So if your building needs a professional cleaning, be sure to call the professionals at Air Duct Cleaners, and we'll be able to come clean your building out and make sure that your building has nice, clean air in it. Thanks.